This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Castel obtains environmental product declarations for its ball valves and solenoid valves by J.O. Haraldson. Published November 3, 2025. Italian component manufacturer Castel has announced that both its ball valves and solenoid valve lines have obtained Environmental Product Declarations (EPD) from the International EPD System (IES). An EPD requires an in-depth life cycle assessment of the product line, evaluating the environmental impacts of the product from production through use to disposal. Both product families stand out for high use of recycled metals and full recyclability at end of life, Castel told naturalrefrigerants.com. The analysis also shows that most of the environmental impact occurs during raw material production and manufacturing, while metal recovery at the end of the life cycle significantly offsets emissions, contributing to a lower overall environmental footprint. The requirements. Obtaining an EPD from the IES can take several months, with the manufacturer required to analyze all stages of a product's life according to ISO 14025. The standard establishes procedures primarily for business-to-business disclosures. Castel's analysis of the life cycle of its valves was verified by an independent reviewer for accuracy and is publicly accessible through the International EPD Systems library. Although EPDs, according to Castel, are not common in the industrial refrigeration and air conditioning sectors, the company said it obtained the declarations to support customers with high sustainability standards or green certification requirements. New 3060 series. In March, Castel introduced a new line of safety valves under its polyhedra range, rated for A1, A2L, and A3 refrigerants, and Group 1 flammable or toxic fluids as part of the EU's Pressure Equipment Directive. The new valves meet the safety requirements for flammable refrigerants, including propane, Castel said. The 3060 series, factory settable for pressures between 9 and 50 bar, 131 and 725 psi, offers solutions for protecting small to medium capacity refrigeration systems, according to the company. Manufacturing focus. Castel sees growing demand for CO2. Refrigeration in Europe and North American markets, the company's regional sales manager, Alberto Buccianti, told naturalrefrigerants.com at Chilventa 2024, where it showcased two new components. Demand for CO2 refrigeration in supermarkets and cold rooms is growing, Buccianti told naturalrefrigerants.com. We are seeing more and more interest in CO2 in the U.S. and expect to see significant growth over the coming years. HFCs are going down. Quotable. While the EPDs include detailed quantitative data such as GGWP, the main takeaway for companies is the transparency and accountability they offer, Castel said. Our valves come with verified data that help customers make informed, sustainable choices based on measurable environmental criteria.